Hey guys, Sean here from Crafted Elements, and in this very cool video I want to show you 3 of our new molds, but it's a special one because it's the BFM molds, the big friggin' molds. I knew what I was going to say there. Okay, so look, 22.5 by 20.5 by 1.5, okay? Square, relatively. You can do tabletops or side tables or whatever. I'm too lazy to take it out of the bag. You're just going to have to trust me. It is a perfectly polished, smooth mold. Next guy is double the size. Weighs a ton. Okay, 42.5 by 20.5 by 1.5, also a giant mold. Now, of note, our previous beast mold, which was 36 by 24 by 2 inches, very popular mold, most expensive mold we had, is now even more expensive. We've redesigned the tooling. It is now fully polished on the inside. So we've got a little bit of dust on this one, but it is perfectly smooth mirror finish on the inside. It also has 3/4 inch, oh my God, sidewalls. I need to get to the gym. 3/4 inch sidewalls instead of 5/8. So it's even thicker than before. So it's heavier, which is great, which makes it more expensive. Anyway, all 3 of these molds are available, craftedelements.com. Happy making.